If you live in any of India's bustling cities, chances are you are a part of an urban concrete jungle. Well, in the next 3 to 4 years, India is expected to build 200 million square feet of commercial space and 45 million square feet of retail space. And that's not even including residential space. Now picture this. Real estate development is one of the huge contributors to global warming. So with our hunger for new construction, you can be sure we have a big challenge on our hands. With global warming, our cities are going to be hotter than they already are. Water levels will rise, bigger storms will strike our coast. But here is the good news. The rising concern for global warming is driving a change in the thinking. People across India are searching for more sustainable solutions that tap into the power of Shunya. Over the next half hour, we will look at people who are breathing new life into India's buildings and striving to achieve zero carbon emission and zero energy waste. Olympia Tech Park is one of the biggest and most sought-after IT destinations in Chennai. It's an ode to the concept of eco-friendly and sustainable building design. And it's an inspiration for developers. Join us on an exclusive walk through this massive eco-friendly building complex that is working towards the bold goal of zero carbon emissions and zero energy loss.
A new dawn has risen in the heart of Chennai, in the center of the city's hustle-bustle. With rampant construction and rapid urbanization, towns and cities in India have developed by leaps and bounds, but mostly at a grave cost to the environment. Olympia Technology Park, rated the largest LEED Gold-rated green building in the world when it was certified in 2007, aims to be a path breaker. And Ajit Chordia, Managing Director of the Olympia Group, believes that eco-friendly buildings are not just a fashion statement in India, but a dire necessity.
With the way in which the education is spreading, the number of graduates which are coming out, so there will be more and more requirement of buildings like the IT buildings which are there, which employ very large number of people. Industrialization is also going to take its, gather momentum, but the green building movement is here to stay. And the green building movement will have to be adopted by the people, by the developers. There is no two words about it. We have no choice.
Power-guzzling generators, electricity-hungry lights, and monstrous costs. That is the state of most commercial and IT hubs in India and the world. The problem is magnified when most parts of India face acute power shortage and demand for power exceeds supply. For a large building, power consumption can go up to 300 kilowatt hours per square meter in a year. Spread over more than 1.3 million square feet, Olympia Technology Park takes these demons by the head and optimizes energy and efficiency.
The building which we are in houses the entire power plant as well as the building management system, that is the control room. So that is also housed in this particular building. Today with the generator it costs almost 20 rupees to 22 rupees per kilowatt hour is the cost of fuel. Whereas this particular building's power consumption is less by 40%. So there's a direct saving of something like 8 rupee to 10 rupee per kilowatt hour on every unit of power which is being consumed.